Take a look at this, just in a unique, especially in classics, 1934 Ford 3-window street rod. That bright blue metallic, spoked wheels, wide white walls. This one has the looks and a great setup besides. Interior is a two-tone combo, black with blue highlights. 350 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So this one built to go down the road. Tubular control arms up front, QA1 adjustable shocks, power steering, power brakes, disc at all four corners, AC converted to 134A. So this one, like I said, set up with the amenities, the drivetrain, ready to roll. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the chrome bright work, that waterfall style grille, the V8 Ford logo. Wow. This is a glass body car. And there's a couple little spots I noticed. One little one right there, here. I mean, just a couple, very small where it's been touched up. And I'm talking, boy, getting picky. One little tiny one there. Car's been driven, had a little fun with it. Don't be afraid to get in this one and go. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Power windows, tilt column, banjo style wheel. Look at that dash. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, dual exhaust does have a power rear deck lid. There's a switch. I'll show you which one it is when we're on the inside. And also take a little picture of a diagram the previous owner wrote out for us. It tells us what the switches are for on the dash. There's a radio mounted above and an overhead console. Power antennas you can see on the back right in front of the deck lid. Once again, still pictures. Look at the underside. Look at the engine bay. Engine bay is finished off. It has a piano hinge style hood, and it is finished off with a mirror-like finish in there. Polished, and it reflects great. Take a look at still pictures. I'm going to start it up. Let's check out that engine bay. We're going to hear it run, but look at the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, there's also a popper. I'm going to reach in the door to open it up, but I'm pointing out where the popper is. The popper is just under this floorboard right here, and you can pop it, and we'll pop the door. Since the window's down, to make it easier for me, just open it up. Suicide style doors, and again, popper right in this area, right underneath the running board. There's those two-tone seats I was talking about with the Ford V8 logos embroidered into them. Take a look at the headliner, also custom. Appears to be LED lighting. We'll continue with the overhead console. There's that Alpine, I believe it was Alpine stereo. Is that correct? I may not. Yes, Alpine stereo, AM, FM, CD, I believe that one is. Look at that, there's your gauges. What a nice looking dash setup. Cup holder built in over here. Like I said, this one is made, go down the road, have some fun in it. All right, let's fire it up. Oops. Now, as far as that switch I was telling you about, I'm going to click that up. I'm going to show you the trunk also. So that's the power deck lid on the trunk. It's now raising. Park, so you have your park, drive, neutral indicator, wiper switch over here. This is for unlatching the hood. It's a pull on this one, pull it out, and lift the hood up. We're going to do that here in just a little bit. Let this warm up. That was a cold start. As you can see, oil pressure, volts, fuel gauge all working. Was a cold start, so temp It's not come up, and we're running a little over, what, 1100 RPMs. We'll get it to come down off that higher idle. There we go. Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake, HEI ignition. And we're all check that out here in just a second. Want the trunk up, just flip that switch up, let it raise it up. It's going to stay there. You want it to go down, go back inside, hit that switch, it's going to lower it back down. Listen to that. That's a deep, nice rumble coming out of that 350 V8. Ooh, sounds like she's got a little cam in it. All right. I'm going to hit that switch. We're going to let you see that lower down. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to check out the engine bay. So we're just going to reach in here, put that switch back down. You're going to see rear deck lid closing up automatically. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the hood popped. Like I said, kind of piano hinge styled hood. See the reflection of the engine up there also. But where it gets crazy is this look in here. Look at this polished. Sorry for the glare. Not much I can do about that with the lights coming off of that. Of course, aluminum radiator, electric puller fan. Like I said, look at that. My engines are in here. There's that HEI ignition. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, 134. What an engine bay. Pop the hood open at the car show with this one, folks. What a look. 1934 Ford 3-window street rod coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.